Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to blur faces and objects in Canva. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to blur out someone's face in a photograph? Or perhaps obscure a sensitive piece of information like a license plate or a phone number? Whether you're aiming to protect privacy, create an artistic effect, or prepare a professional-looking thumbnail, mastering the art of blurring is essential. Fortunately, Canva makes this process not only possible, but also incredibly straightforward, even for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to handle these tasks with ease. To get started, let's dive right into Canva. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. Creating an account is quick, free, and quite seamless. After logging into your Canva account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Create a Design button, which is typically located at the top. Click on this, and you'll see an option to choose a custom size. This is crucial, because having a specific canvas size ensures that you have ample space to work on your image and focus on the details. For our purpose, set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. This size is perfect for managing smaller elements like faces or objects that need blurring. Once you've input these dimensions, hit Create New Design to proceed. Now that your blank canvas is ready, let's move on to the next step. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll notice a tab labeled Elements. Click on this tab, and a search bar will appear at the top. Here, you can search for or upload the image you want to use. Canva offers a variety of free stock photos if you're just practicing, but feel free to upload your personal images, especially if you need to blur out specific details like a friend's face in a group picture or a sensitive item. Once your chosen image appears on the canvas, click on it to select it. Doing so will bring up a menu above the image. Look for the Edit Image button and give it a click. This will open a range of editing tools. Among the options like crop and adjust, you'll find the blur feature. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll a bit, but it's usually positioned near the top. Click on the blur option to activate it. With the blur tool selected, it's time to work some magic. The blur tool functions like a virtual paintbrush, allowing you to paint over the areas you wish to obscure. For instance, if you need to hide someone's face, carefully brush over that portion until you achieve the desired level of blur. You can use your mouse, or if you're on a tablet, your finger to glide over the image. If at any point you feel the blur is too intense, or if you make a mistake, don't worry. Canva allows you to adjust the intensity or undo any errors. So feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. Once you've finished blurring the necessary parts of your image, your work is automatically saved by Canva. You can now export or download your edited image, ready to be shared while keeping everything you want private, secure, and stylish. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how to blur faces and objects in Canva. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.